Hey everybody, I just want to take this moment to wish all Ethiopians and Eritreans happy Easter. I know today in Ethiopia is the Easter day. For some of us, we already celebrated a while ago, but I'm here to wish you guys a happy Easter. I know you might be asking yourself, is there any reason for me to celebrate Easter? Well, the first thing is because Christ died for you. That should be the very first reason for you to celebrate Easter, regardless of where you are at right now. But most importantly, the story of Jesus Christ is the story that reminds us of someone who came here on earth to sacrifice his own life for me and you. He died on the cross so that me and you, we may be free from sin, free from the bondage of diseases and whatever else that you can mention there. But most importantly is for us to take that lesson and to put it in our lives today. What are you doing today for the sake of others? What are you sacrificing today for the sake of those who loves you and for those who you love them? What are you doing today for the sake of your country, for the sake of your leadership, for the sake of your family? What are you doing? Because it's not just a normal day to celebrate and to be like, yes, he died for me. But what are you doing for him and for the people who are around you? So let this be a reminder for you, for me, and for everybody who is watching this video that we have a reason to celebrate because, of course, we are alive today, but also we have a responsibility. Responsibility for us to stay on our lane, for us to fulfill the purpose that we are called to, and that is to love one another, and that is to love your neighbor as yourself. Regardless of who that neighbor is, regardless where that neighbor is coming from, regardless what kind of tribe that neighbor is coming from, but we are out to love one another. If he died for us to be free, for us to have this joy in our lives, then it's our responsibility to do the same thing for our neighbors. Am I asking you to die for your neighbors? No, I'm not asking you for that. I'm asking you to live for them. I'm asking you to see them as your brothers and your sisters because they are your brother and your sister. They are your neighbor. I'm asking you to do the same thing that you'd like for others to do to you. And that will be my message for Ethiopian and Eritreans. Happy Easter. And I hope you enjoy with your family. You enjoy in the presence of God. And, I just pray for peace. And I pray for the reconciliation for this great nation. And I pray for the joy of the Lord is your strength. And I pray that you may not lose hope. I pray that you may never feel helpless, regardless of what situation you are in right now. I pray that you stand bold and tall, believing that there's a bright future. And bright future is not there tomorrow, but it's right here, right now. You can decide it. You can tap into that anointing and start walking, living, breathing like that. Happy Easter, everybody. Namaste Ganalo. I appreciate you.